Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Welcome to Learn with Zara. Today we are diving into the world of colors, bright, bold, and beautiful. Get ready to learn fun facts and explore how colors make everything around us exciting. Let's get started. Red. Red. This is the color red. R-E-D. Red. The color of the apple is red. Orange. Orange. This is the color orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. The color of the pumpkin is orange. Yellow. Yellow. This is the color yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. The color of the banana is yellow. Green. Green. This is the color green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. The color of the leaf is green. Blue. Blue. This is the color blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. The color of the ocean is blue. Purple. Purple. This is the purple color. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. The color of the grapes is purple. Pink. Pink. This is the color pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. The color of the rose is pink. Brown. Brown. This is the color brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. The color of the chocolate is brown. Black. Black. This is the color black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. The color of the crow is black. White. White. This is the color white. W-H-I-T-E. White. The color of the snowman is white. Gray. Gray. This is the gray color. G-R-A-Y. Gray. The color of the elephant is gray. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.